get better reading scores and math scores.
I grow when I'm not in my comfort zone.
I grow when I have to focus and try and tune everyone out and read the notes.
I grow when we are challenged as a community to do what's right for children.
Grow is also defined as increasing something in value. By supporting our children and supporting the school districts, we're increasing the value of those children in our community.
If I get good grades in my school, I may have schools open their doors to me, and I can have a good career.
SAF has been, I think, very generous in being able to help all of our Grand Rapids public students experience many different things across the spectrum.
Our schools wouldn't be nearly as amazing as they were without them. So many of the outside experiences that our children have is because of GRSAF.
I love reading because I like to see the exciting new things, like events that's gonna happen after the place I write about. I have lots of poem books. I have Adventures of Frog and Toad. I have Where the Sidewalk Ends. I even have Owl at Home.
We use our left side of the brain because we have a left and right side brain, and the right side is usually the more artistic side that we open. It's how we lose track of time and get lost in something.
It's important for kids to have art now at any age level, any grade level, to build off and create divergent thinkers, creative problem solvers.
We were in this class and we were painting at that table, and we lighted to paint.
There's some things that I can't say, with words, so I would do it with art.
Sometimes students can struggle a little bit with their academic class, but then when they go to art or when they go to music, they finally feel like they can express themselves in the way that they're meant to.
You'll be here this December with all your family and friends. Will you wrap us in hug and love, hoping it never ends?
I play percussion, which involves this lovely instrument right here. It is called a timpano. I get to annoy a lot of people because I get to be really loud. And going on all the various band field trips, it's really fun. And I'd be very upset if we didn't have the money to do this anymore.
The Grand Rapids Art Museum. There was artwork that was not like paintings. There were sculptures. There was this calder, and it was called the blunt-tailed dog, but it wasn't like one of those big calders like the ones you usually see. It was a small calder on a table, I'd say about this big.
When we went to Blandford Nature Center, it was fun because we got to see some animals and a lot of plants.
We've been able to create these learning opportunities that they'll carry with them, and they will come back and ask me repeatedly, when's our next field trip? When's our next field trip?
If you remember camp. When I came here, 4th grade camp was just a whole new experience. It's like, wow, we do stuff that I've never done before. And I never knew I loved the outdoors.
It was fun because we got to hang out on the beach for a couple of days. We all carried all our own packs with all our own food and then cooked it then.
We had these big backpacks and we had to strap them on, and we had our tents with us and a bunch of other stuff.
I was so proud of myself when I first shot a basketball in the hoop because I've never done it before, and I was so excited. And my team got a point.
I'm on a basketball team for the school, and on Saturday we're doing the championships.
Because outside, when we play, it makes me get more energized.
Soccer player. If the backup plan, if that doesn't work, I'm gonna become a doctor.
The sports here at Save Cross are really nice because everyone's on the team. You don't have to try out, so you already automatically on the team. What I really like, because you get better Because if you don't get to do that sport, you're never going to get better and feel like you're on a team and you need to work together.
They've been able to go to college because of the athletics.
Many of our students would never be able to afford to play sports, for example. They wouldn't be able to afford uniforms. They wouldn't be able to afford anything that would allow them to be involved in this awesome activity. And because of GRSAF, they get to do that.
Oh, I like robotics because having like an outlet where I can actually go, and if I have an idea to actually build something, I can build it.
It's not just for boys, so I would just want to try something new because honestly I'd find myself in my house just like taking things apart and then putting it back together.
It gives us an opportunity to learn in mechanics and engineering and programming and design and all those things. Glad that we made state, so we made it that far, and that we were able to work together as a team and make a robot.
One thing that I do like about robotics too is the hands-on and giving them these materials. So this gives them a chance and really shine in different ways.
So the list goes on and on and on of what the Grand Rapids Student Advancement Foundation has been able to do for these children. But more importantly, we see the growth in the kids. The research is real clear. It can't just be about reading and math, right? Kids need extra. Because of this, we have evolved into this great district.
The community wants the community to keep growing stronger, so that's why, you know, every piece of support that, you know, Grand Rapids as a city or, you know, as a community in general should want to back and benefit, you know, all of our Grand Rapids students.
For any community to be thriving and to be vibrant, they have to have a good public school system. Grand Rapids is such an amazing community. It's one of the top communities in the United States. That is why it's so important for not just people that are living outside the city limits, people that work downtown, people that are concerned where our community is going. They should be supporting Grand Rapids Public Schools, and they can do that through the Advancement Foundation.